up for all the rollers, okay? And so actually with the sock, you just can use this ready sewn color, the ready sewn socks, and just load up to here, and this toe part will not be printed. And you will get just ready sock immediately. And here it is the printed one. So just printed the tiger. And now we just continuously printing. And after printing, like this sock, and what you need to do is send it to the oven and heat it. Then the whole process will be done. So later, that's heated all together, okay? And during the printing, and now I can load up the second piece of this sock. So the printer would go continuously working without any stop during the printing. And another one is done. You see how vibrant the color it is. And also you can see all the details, right? You can see all the details, and also in deep of its eyes, it shows something. So how are you guys? Everything goes fine? Hope you have a very nice day. For the European friends, I know it's just a fresh day coming out, so everything might be possible. So be creative and let's do this job. Okay, and any interested design you'd like to choose, and here we could choose, we have strawberries, and we have this fireworks, fire flame, and the night owl and tiger, and the AG, well, what is it? AGR band, I think, very popular one. And yeah, and leopard, and lions, lizard, so animals. You like animals? And this, here, wow, some other animals here. The peacock and a nice lady there with nice makeup, I can see. And here, okay, crocs, good. Okay, that's add this one. So we try the peacock first, okay? So let's check out how the color it is and how vibrant the colors and details, how the outlook it is. Are vibrant, you see here, so vibrant with the details. And let's check out the peacock, the feathers. Wow, the beautiful feathers, the tails, right? And even inside of these colors, so many layers, it shows you all the details. And now it is after we get it out from the roller, how it looks like. So later we will heat it up and check out after heating what it looks like, okay?